Everyone, this is Nicole again with another brooch bouquet. Today we're doing a brooch bouquet by the name of Kendra 2, and we're using Real Touch roses for this bouquet. We're going to use some white roses and some royal blue Real Touch roses. These roses have the touch and feel of real roses. We're also going to be using some brooches here. I have rose gold brooches. These are absolutely beautiful. And we're going to also go in with some gold rhinestone flat back buttons. You need your half styrofoam ball. You need your wooden holder. And that's going to go into the styrofoam half ball. You need a pair of scissors, your wire cutters, and this bouquet is also available in a kit. So all of the supplies you see here are included in your kit. You need your glue gun, your glue sticks, and your ribbon. The 2-inch width ribbon makes the leaves to go underneath the bouquet, and your 1-inch ribbon to cover your holder. Like I said before, this is a DIY kit, so go on over to Bouquets by Nicole and get your kit today. Free shipping on orders $49, $49.99 and over. Okay, so first thing you want to do is put a hole in your styrofoam half ball, like so. Now, some of these steps I'm going to go through pretty quickly because I do these in all of my videos. So please be sure to go back and view my previous videos for step-by-step instructions. Put your wooden holder into your styrofoam half ball after applying a little bit of glue in there. And then you're also going to go around the stick with some more glue to hold it in place. And trust me, guys, that holder is not going anywhere. It's going to stay put once this glue dries. Yes, it's been a while. I missed you guys. I really have. I've just been so busy, but I'm back. So we have our holder in place. Let's move this stuff out of the way. And we're going to start applying our roses. Now, some of the roses on our website, we do sell them with stems, and most of them come without stems. So you'll have to apply your stems yourself. It's pretty easy. You know, it's just floral stems that you can get at a craft store, or I might put some for sale on the website if I get a chance. So you just want to go around the base. I always start putting my flowers on at the bottom of the styrofoam holder, just going around. Some people start at the top, but I start at the bottom. And I just use my wire cutters to cut the stems. Now, a good thing with the putting the stems in the flowers as opposed to just gluing your flowers onto the styrofoam ball, I think it adds a little bit more security. But that's just my opinion, guys. You can... if you purchase the flowers without the stems, and I do sometimes just apply the glue to the roses and put them on the styrofoam half ball, but it just takes more time for me. See, I'm just sticking them in, their position, and then I'll go back over underneath and apply some glue. You'll see. So I'm just alternating my colors here. I think these colors are really adorable. I love it. The white and the dark color of the royal blue really, they really complement each other. And then the rose gold brooches too is going to add that extra pop to this bouquet. I love this bouquet. And I have a picture at the end of this video of one of my brides who actually used this bouquet in her wedding. And guess what? Her name is Kendra. So that's why I call this one Kendra. This was her bouquet. So you just want to go around with your roses. I love these Real Touch roses. I had some bouquets made up with these roses at the bridal show we just did at the Philadelphia Convention Center, and everyone was touching these roses. They could not believe that these were not real roses. It's made out of some type of latex material, and it just, they're just so beautiful in person. You just have to see them. Take my word. They're beautiful. All right, so I have the base covered. So now I'm just going to go underneath it once I start, once I have them in place the way I want them positioned. I'm going to go underneath with the glue gun and just add the glue at the bottom to hold them in place. Yes, like so. So you just put some glue there and these roses won't be popping out. All right. So we're just going to put glue and then we'll continue putting our roses on. Hey, if any of you are in the Philadelphia area, we're having another brooch workshop, brooch bouquet workshop. What am I saying? We're having another workshop where I'll be working with you hand in hand, step by step, creating our bouquets. It was so much fun last year. We decided to do it again. Yes. Actually, some people requested it, so I said, yes, we'll do it again. So the class is going to be March 20th at the Clarion Hotel in Philadelphia, near the Philadelphia airport. So if you're in the area, come on out. Let's make some bouquets together, guys. It's going to be fun. This year, we're actually going to do luxury bouquets and we're doing just, regular bridesmaids bouquets. So brides, if you want to come on down and make your bouquet with me, come on down. Go to the website for some more details, okay? But let's get back to this bouquet. So I'm just going to, alternate my flowers like I said before. I don't want to have too many blues or too many whites. It's going to be mostly the royal blue with just the hints of the white. So we'll just continue going through this. Like I said before, you can purchase this bouquet or, you can have me make it for you, or you can purchase the DIY kit. You guys know I'm all about saving money. So any bouquet that you see on my website, if I can make a DIY kit for you, just hit me up. If I don't have a kit already available on the site, hit me up with an email from the website and I'll be happy to put that kit together for you. You can save up to 50%, off the bouquet, just making it yourself. And I show you how to do it. So if I can do it, you can do it. Get your kit today. Yes. From Bouquets by Nicole. Okay, so let's finish putting our roses in. And I'm going to speed through this because you don't need to see me putting each and every rose in here. So, guys, you just stay tuned and then we'll come back to decorate Kendra 2. Oh, the reason why this is called Kendra 2 is because I have a Kendra which uses different brooches. It's the same type of bouquet, but different brooches. And this one is with the rose gold brooches. So I have Kendra 1, Kendra 2, and stay tuned. All right, so the roses are in place. So now I'm just going to use that 2-inch width ribbon that's included with your kit to cover the bottom of the bouquet. I know I didn't show you guys how to make the leaves here. I do it in all of my videos, guys. I don't know. I skipped that one. I skipped recording for this. For some reason, I don't know. Forgive me. Go to the other videos to see how to make it. You just cut the ribbon up in pieces of like about maybe 6 inches and then fold the top over. You don't have to fold it all the way over to make a full fold. You can just fold the top over to get that loop at the top there, and then you have your leaves. So, I usually use the ribbon to cover up the bottom of the bouquet to hide that ugly underneath there. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm going to continue going through with that and cover the holder. So now I have my leaves in place. I'm covering my holder with the skinny ribbon, which is also included in this kit, the DIY kit. So you just wrap your holder tightly like so. And it's easy as 1, 2, 3. Yes, done. All right, so now roses are in place, ribbons covered. So we're going to the fun part. This is when the party really starts, guys. This is my favorite part. Yes, putting on my brooches. These roll gold brooches. I have no words to describe them. They are beautiful. Yes, look at this. I mean, oh my God. Oh, just resting on that royal blue. Oh, they're popping, popping, popping. I just got a whole bunch of rose gold brooches in stock. So if you need some brooches, I'm telling you, you will not find brooches online this size with the prices I charge. My prices are very, very economical. And I'm telling you, I try to keep my prices low because some of the prices for brooches are just ridiculous. Yes. So go on over and get your brooches. So I'm just going to go down with the rest of my brooches here. And I'm only applying brooches in the middle of this bouquet. She just wanted a hint of brooches. She didn't want a whole bunch of bling. But you know, hey, I have bouquets with bling, 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 bling. I'm telling you, they're blinged out. I have brooch bouquets with just rhinestones. Whatever you need, we got you. All right, so let me just reposition this one here. Okay. My brooches are in place. Now, I'm only pinning these right now because I don't want to glue them while I'm recording, because I mess up a lot of my bouquets that way, because it might look like it's where I want it to be while I'm recording, but when I'm done, it's not right. So I'm just using straight pins to stick them in place. So now I'm going to go in with my gold rhinestone buttons. This is just going to add just a little touch of bling throughout the bouquet. Like I said, she didn't want a whole lot of brooches, just, the brooches in the middle and then some additional sparkles throughout. And that's what these flatbacks provide. So guys, this is Kendra 2, and I'll have a picture at the end for you. Stay tuned. Here she is, okay? Isn't she lovely? Absolutely beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys.